I'm Nidhi Srivastava, and today I'm going to explain what is the differences between business and ethics. What is the differences between ethics and moral? In simple terms, ethics means doing the right things, that is the ethics. It is the system, ethics is the set of moral principles that helps differentiate between what is good and what is bad, what is right and what is wrong, and what is the moral and what is the immoral. You can see the differences between the ethics and moral with the help of different views. First one is the ethics. In meaning point of view, ethics describe what is right, what is fair, and what is proper. For moral point of view, morals, it is related to the duties, rules that governs behavior of the person. And for the derive from the way derive ethics derive from the Greek word ethikos, which means characters, means a way of life, and mos is derived from the Latin word mos, which means custom. Approach point of view, it deals with ethics, deals with what is right and what is wrong, and it is the system of moral principles, and that can differentiate between good and bad, and it can differentiate between what is the right and wrong, and it can differentiate between the just and unjust. And for the moral point of view, um, moral, it derive from the Latin word mos, which means customs. And approach point of view, moral is, it deals with principles of right and wrong. Thought process of view, ethics means ethics person has freedom to think, choose his personal philosophy for guiding and conduct of his life. And for moral point of view, right or wrong already decide, individual had to either accept or not to accept. And in ethics, it is related to the individual characters, and moral is related to the customs, and it is related to the our society. For scope point of view, ethics is that branch of philosophy that address questions about morality, and for moral point of views, moral works on the smaller scale than ethics. The example of the ethics is the response of an individual to a specific situations, whether in that situation it is ethical to state the truth, and moral, you should speak truth. This is the example of the morals. Now I am going to explain what is the example of the morals. It means morals is already decide. Don't kill, don't cause pain, keep your promise, do your duty, don't disable, don't deceive, don't cheat, and obey the law. Thank you.